Hi! In this video, I will show you how to remove Open to Work in LinkedIn. First, we should log in our LinkedIn account. As you can see here, there is hashtag Open to Work under your profile picture that we will remove later on. To remove this, let's go to this portion that says Open to Work as a video editor and image editor, and then click this pen icon. A pop-up box will appear that says Edit Job Preferences, where we can see our job titles, location, employment type, and etc. Click on Delete from Profile. And a pop-up box will appear that says Delete Job Preferences. You'll no longer be showing that you're open to work. Then click on Delete. So your job preference has been deleted. To see that the hashtag Open to Work is already removed, we will refresh the page. So as you can see, it's not reflecting anymore that you are open to work. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!